Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Sorry. I was busy cooking up some fresh voice acting skills in the Level Up Lab. Oh, you've never heard of the Level Up Lab? Well, it's only the best voice acting challenge community on the planet. I mean, if you're looking to really work on your skills as a voice actor and be pushed along by both your peers and me personally every 2 weeks, the Level Up Laboratory is a surefire way to take your voice acting skills to the next level. Oh, okay, this is a little ridiculous. Why don't I just tell you what the Level Up Lab is and why it's one of the greatest things we've ever created at LearnVoiceActing.com and how you can use it to level up your skills as a voice actor. Here's how the lab works. Every 2 weeks, we start a new experiment based on a specific topic within voice acting. It might be car commercials, villain reads, anime protagonists, creature voices, something very specific that we can work on for a 2-week period together. Again, live. These challenges are live. Think of it like a 2-week challenge that motivates you to get behind the mic and experiment and try new things, communicate with other actors on a regular basis, and improve your craft while having a ton of fun doing it. Again, this is a live challenge where you're going through the exact same thing with all of the other students at the exact same time. Talk about group motivation. At the beginning of the 2-week cycle, you'll get a brand new custom lecture from me that introduces the topic, explores trends within the industry, and teaches you some suggestions on how to approach it. We then give you brand new custom scripts made just for you and references, and you are off to the races. For the next 2 weeks of the challenge, you get to practice your skills, ideate, and experiment with each other inside of the group, continually getting feedback from each other on your reads, and you're giving feedback on other people's reads as well, so you're toning your ear. Halfway through, I'll demonstrate how I might approach the script if it were given to me. This gives you a week to kind of go at it without being influenced by my performance. I never want to be like, well, this is how I would do it, so you should do it too. And then you get the chance to sort of implement some of the ideas that I bring and ideate even further. You get to bring that into your script for your own reads for the remainder of the challenge. So all throughout this, you'll be gathering points that are rewarded when you interact with each other and complete certain tasks. That's right, I'm gonna trick you into becoming an amazing voice actor by making this whole system into a game with some really incredible rewards. We'll talk about all that later. At the end of those 2 weeks, the experiment concludes with a live session with me. Your completion of the challenge requires you to submit one MP3 demonstrating the skills that you've been practicing over the last 2 weeks, and you get the opportunity to ask questions to me as well. I'll then take that, we'll have a live session once every 2 weeks. During that live session, we get to hang out for as long as it takes for me to get through your questions. And as another added awesome bonus, I'll be picking random people every week, playing your submitted MP3 live and breaking down your performance, giving some feedback, giving some tips, and I promise I'll be gentle. It gives you the opportunity to not only get feedback from me on your actual reads, something previously not available unless you were in Pandora's Vox, but you get to hear a bunch of perspectives on other people's approaches to the performance as well. And if you can't make the live session, no problem. They're all recorded and they're all included in an archive you can access at any time. You don't even need to be there to ask your question or get your audition selected for feedback. If it's selected, you just review the recording. And you get to do this whole incredible cycle of learning, practicing, growing, and leveling up your skills every 2 weeks. That's how you level up. And that's the Level Up Lab. So not only do you get hyper-focused, custom training repeated every 2 weeks, but I mentioned before that we have a really amazing reward structure set up. Every time you perform certain actions within the group, you're awarded experience points. Acquire enough of those points and you level up inside the group. This unlocks some really incredible bonuses like free access to Academy After Hours Unlimited, our monthly deep dive lecture series, access to the recorded archives of every challenge and Q&A that we have, and if you get really high level, we start to talk about rewards like a free week of Pandora's Vox, free one-on-one coaching sessions with me, and more. We're always changing and adding rewards, so you'll have to come into the group to see what's on the menu at this particular point in time. The amount of stuff we've packed into the Level Up Lab is incredible. Getting this amount of focused practice in such a dedicated rhythm, in such an active community is an absolute unique jewel within the voice acting industry. And we're offering it to our students for less than $100 a month. If you're even remotely interested in leveling up your voice acting game, the Level Up Lab is for you. Grab a lab coat, grab a beaker, grab a microphone, probably don't put them together, and let's get your voice acting skills to the next level. Join the Level Up Lab today.